The manufacturing labor crisis in the U.S. continues to worsen, especially for small and mid-sized machine shops. Qualified CNC operators and setup technicians are extremely hard to find, and the ones that exist are often taken by larger companies with deep pockets. As a result, many shops rely on inexperienced employees to set up expensive CNC machinery. In my 30-plus years on the shop floor, I've learned that high-performing, profitable shops demand machine setup efficiency, precision, and speed. Accomplishing this requires specialized knowledge, confidence, and the ability to solve problems on the fly. Since setup is often the largest contributing factor in overall part cost, shops must execute setup with speed and precision to stay competitive. Yet, too often, this responsibility falls on these same underqualified operators. The question we should be asking ourselves is, how do we build this expertise in our employees? And how can we take our shop performance to another level with our current staff? That's where CNC Setup Pro comes in. Setup Pro develops high-performing, certified setup technicians. Imagine how much easier it would be to hire candidates who already hold CNC machine setup certifications. Imagine transforming current staff into setup powerhouses. Imagine onboarding new employees with structured training that gets them up to speed immediately. That's exactly what Setup Pro delivers. This program trains operators and setup technicians to perform concise, efficient, and precise setups, minimizing downtime, maximizing productivity, and keeping machines running safely at top speed. As an online, self-paced program, Setup Pro fits around production schedules without pulling employees off the floor. It's built on the G3CNC Blueprint for success, a 10-point training system covering the most critical skills as they related to CNC machine setup, including task management, responsibility, attention to detail, tooling expertise, troubleshooting, lean manufacturing, leadership, and work ethic. With short modules, video content, animation, AI tools, and assessments, Setup Pro ensures learners master each concept before moving forward. Whether you're onboarding, upskilling, or developing leaders, Setup Pro is a complete system for turning underperforming staff into top CNC talent. No matter the industry you serve or equipment you use,